Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 27 of chapter 5 section 3 and problem number 35 of chapter 5 section 3 from the practice exam. Evaluate the integral 0 to 1 u plus 6 times u minus 7 du. This is problem number 27. So here we are going to apply fundamental theorem of calculus part 2. So fundamental theorem of calculus part 2 is integral a to b f of x dx is the antiderivative of f of x at the upper limit minus antiderivative at the lower limit. So it is integral 0 to 1 u plus 6 times u minus 7 du. We are going to expand this so that we can apply the power rule. So we will FOIL this. It's u square plus minus 7u plus 6u minus 42 du. So simplify the integrand. Integral 0 to 1 u square minus 7u plus 6u. Combine the like terms, so that will be minus u minus 42 du. So now we apply the antiderivative. Find the antiderivative, which is u cube over 3 minus u square over 2 minus antiderivative of the constant is constant times the variable between the limit 0 and 1. So it will be 1/3 upper limit. When you plug in the upper limit, minus 1/2 minus 42 times 1. At the lower limit, everything becomes 0. So we simplify this. The LCD can be taken as 6, and if you simplify, do the math here, it will become negative 253 over 6. Now let's do 35. Evaluate the integral. Integral 1 to 2 v to the power 5 plus 4v to the 7 divided by v to the power 4 dv. So to make use of the power rule, we are going to divide each one of the terms by the denominator. V to the power 5 over v to the power 4. So 4v to the power 7 over v to the power 4 dv. This will be integral 1 to 2. V to the power 5 over v to the power 4 would be just v. Then 4v cube dv. Now integrate each one of the terms. That will be v square over 2 plus 4v to the power 4 over 4 between the limits 1 and 2. Now plug in the upper limit in the place of v. So it is 2 squared. So 4 over 2. That will be a 2 plus 2 to the power 4. So that will be 16 minus 1/2. Plug in the lower limit plus 1. So we get 2 plus 16 minus 3/2. So if you do the math and simplify here, that will become 33 over 2. Hope this video helps. One more thing here, you notice that this is product of two functions and this is quotient of two functions. When you do the product, we don't have a rule like integral of something multiplied by something is not integral of the product of the integral. Integral of the product is not product of the integral. Same way, integral of the quotient is not quotient of the integral. You cannot take the integral of the numerator and divide by the integral of the denominator. Same way, in this problem 27, you cannot take the integral of first one, multiply with the integral of the second one. So we have to bring this to the power rule. Then we are going to apply the power rule here, same way here in this problem. Hope this video helps.